Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin. Welcome on my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make one of the versions of elastic cast on. It works well for ribbed edges such as head brim, different kind of cuffs, and so on. This how it looks on the finished item. It forms such kind of denticles, and it looks pretty the same from the both sides. So how we are doing this? We start from a slip knot, or we start as we are going to do a long tail cast on, but we don't have to leave the long tail. We need to leave as long tail as we will need to weave in the end later when we will finish the item. So in this way I'm getting first 2 stitches. If you will make a slip knot, you will get first only 1 stitch. It's not so important right now. Then you're forming a loop from the working thread from left to right, like this. Inserting your needle in this loop, and then insert your index finger in this loop from other side, from the behind, and make this construction tense, pulling this yarn on your thumb. Yeah, so we have such construction. Now we are going under this thread and pulling it through this loop on your index finger from the bottom. Keep it with your other index finger and tie it. This float will give us the flexibility of our edge, and this will form the denticle. And let's do it some more times. You should be careful with those floats, because if they will be too long, the edge of your item will look sloppy, and it will look wider than the body of your item. I think nobody needs it. Even if your float seems to be small, short, it will be flexible. Don't worry. Don't make them too long. That's all for today. Thanks for watching me. Follow my channel. I wish you a great day. Goodbye.